Okay guys, so just get done to pressure washing inside Perkins restaurant. As you can see right now, much hell of a different. It's no more black and blanc and gunk kind of like a grease before. Now it's all paint removal. So it's here in this concrete walkway here. And make it a little better. So there too. And that right there, that's a PVC pipe. Right there. Wall, not on this wood wall, but fence, but that top wall up there, much better. And I did the garbage dump too, right there, disposal. A lot cleaner. You see inside, it's there's no more grease, and it's much halakba, much nicer to smell. Before it's like the smell of a mud. It didn't have to be. It doesn't have to be perfect or pressure wash. Just to remove this black gunk, really here around this dumpster. It's all white around here and all through here. Yep, and that wall there in the top, that gutter, it's right there. That there used to be black, like the other side, and it's all turned to be like it used to be, cream. And so is this walkway too. And I got to show you about this wall here. There's no more kind of like a block mold. Yep, I think it's right here. This vinyl siding here is, when I press was, is to remove those cream, kind of like oxidation on it. But that's much better. And the manager likes it, and like the way it looks now. And yep, and that's it guys, I'm out of here. See that the difference there? It's just more creamer now, one was fire because of that paint, and it's oxidized. Yep, doesn't need to remove the oxidized because he just want to remove those black mold, green box mold in this vinyl wall. So, thank you for watching, and you know what you think. Thank you for following my page, Sapas Plus Sopwas, on Facebook and YouTube. So as in Google my page, Sapas Plus Sopwas, Leah Acres. So, alright guys, I'm out of here. You guys have a great day of the weekend. God bless you.